Ladies and gentlemen, a hand clap for a USA import. We've been exporting coffee, exporting what, ladies and gentlemen? We export coffee and we import coffee. Manufactured. But today, we are importing a human being. We are such talented in importing, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for a comedian who has been doing comedy for over 9 years. She has been traveling in countries. She has been in Masaka. She has been in Uganda. And she's currently at La Bonita this very evening. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the one and only Sharon Lacey!
Ensanyu senyo kubalaba. Encore! No gambachi. Nachamero kukureva. Orimaruchi Munanga. Hat. I love Uganda. I love Uganda so much. I feel it is a part of me. This part. Kabina Chinene. I love everything about Uganda. Especially, I love the food. Amere Woma. Especially your national dish, Chicomando. I love to try to speak in your language, Oluganda Manelu Tono Tono, Ingesako. So I was going to the food vendor. I was very, very hungry. Very hungry. And I went to the food vendor and I was going to impress him with my Lugandan to tell him how very hungry. Sebo. Injure mana. Of it all. You missed that, eh? You missed it. All right. You know what else I love about Uganda? I love those white vans full of people. As I'm walking down the street, all the white vans, they slow down when they see me. And a good-looking Ugandan young man, he leans out. He waves to me. He calls to me, hey! I'm too old to have an affair with a young Ugandan man, so I wave him on. I know they're in love with me when they slow down and say, hey. Maybe not. But I have gotten some proposals from Ankori men. Ankori man in his 40s. He came to me, he said, Muzungu, you marry me, I give you 10 cows. I can't get those cows on the plane. this Angora man in his 30s. He came to me. He said, Mzungu, you marry me, I give you 5 cows. Really? The price is going down? And then this hot, young Angora man in his 20s came up to me. He said, Mzungu, you marry me, you give me 1 cow. That's not right. That's just not right. I've been watching some of your Ugandan TV, and I see that just like in America, we have a female personality, TV personality, and you know her by one name, Oprah. And in Uganda, you have a TV personality, and you know her by one name, Agnes in TV. Someday I want to meet her. So, there's only one thing that I have to say I have not yet learned to love about Uganda. It is the pit latrine. I had never seen a pit latrine until I came to Uganda. I asked my friend Mukwano Kwange, how do I use the pit latrine? And he said, oh, Mzungu, it is very easy. You just look for the target. Then you just squat over the target and let it go. So the time came, and I had to use the pit latrine. I see the target. Someone has missed the target. And how, ladies, how do you do it if you're wearing jeans? Now I know why you wear dresses. I'm in the latrine. I had to take off my jeans. But I can't take off my jeans without I take off my shoes. So now I have to take off my shoes and my jeans. And what do I do with them now? What will I do with them? And I tried to squat. Mukade, I can't squat. What if I can't get back up? And so I must say, I've been here for 9 days. I arrived here 9 days ago. Still, I cannot use the pit latrine. I must Obama. I need to Obama, and I cannot. One last thing before I leave you. I want to talk about your Ugandan cows, your Inte. They have swag. Yeah. Your Ugandan cows, they don't just say moo. They say moo 70. And in US they say moo Bama. I'm Sharon Lacey. Inkwagala nyo ning kukunda manonga. Thank you.